significant regulatory shift is underway in the ASEAN MedTech landscape. Last week, Singapore and Malaysia jointly announced a new fast-tracked framework for AI-driven medical devices and software as a medical device, or SAMD. This move is largely seen as a direct response to recent incidents involving unregulated digital health applications, which have exposed critical gaps in patient safety. The new proposed framework, tentatively named the ASEAN Harmonized Digital Health Guideline, aims to create a unified standard for market entry, starting with these two lead countries. The core of this new regulation introduces three demanding requirements for all new digital health products. First, it mandates stringent cybersecurity protocols, bringing the region in line with EU-level standards, but with specific data privacy clauses unique to Southeast Asia. Second, it requires clinical validation of AI algorithms using data from local ASEAN populations, a major departure from accepting data from Western markets. Third, it establishes a shared post-market surveillance database, forcing companies to be more transparent about device performance across the region. For medtech companies, this is a double-edged sword. Consider the case of a promising startup like Cardio AI. Their ECG analysis tool, validated with extensive US and EU data, was on the verge of launching in Thailand and Vietnam. Under the new rules, their existing clinical data is insufficient. They must now fund new local trials to validate their algorithm on diverse ASEAN populations, a costly and time-consuming setback. Furthermore, their current cybersecurity infrastructure is not compliant with the new mandates, requiring a complete overhaul. This scenario highlights the immediate challenges. Companies must now navigate the complexities of what local data truly means in a region with immense ethnic and genetic diversity. The high cost of compliance could also stifle innovation from smaller, less funded startups who cannot afford extensive local trials. However, the long-term opportunity is undeniable. This framework paves the way for a single, harmonized submission process. A device approved under this guideline in Singapore could soon have a clear and predictable path to market in Malaysia, Indonesia, and beyond. Companies that adapt quickly and invest in localized compliance now will gain a significant competitive advantage, scaling across a unified ASEAN market faster than ever before. Understanding and navigating these new demands is critical for survival and success. For a deeper dive into how this impacts your regulatory strategy, you can email us or visit our website. Pure Global is here to help.